So this Widowmaker bracer has a lot of parts and tricky to assemble. This test print helped me find those assembly issues and problems. I have already fixed them, and I will show you the intended way how it comes together. So first of all the parts should be finished and painted separately before assembly. Then you could attach the side panels to the snake and leave it separately for now. Then the top parts of the bracer, top details, let's say, of the bracer can be attached to the top side here. But don't be in a hurry to glue those parts together at the bottom, because this side panels and snake part should go like this, and the magnets that this is placed for magnets, and they should align with magnets on the inside of the side panels, and they will lock up like this, and this is secure. And only after this we can attach the bottom parts. Whoops. But we have an issue here. After the bottom parts are in place, they kinda fit nicely, but they don't have means to keep them in place. They will just fall off. And they should be removable, so we can take this part off and disassemble everything. So I made another additional test print for that. This is this test print of the bottom piece, and as you can see, those parts are quite secure, but I still can get them out, because there is now a slot that corresponds to this, let's say, pin. And they fit pretty snug, so that you can put them in place, and I think that's the optimal solution here. Now you can see some tape here on the pins. This represents layers of primer and paint. Anyway, before the final setup, you should check how those bottom parts fit. If they are snug like this, then it's great. If it's too snug and you can't put it in place properly, then you can take a small file and just sand the slots a bit wider. If it doesn't fit snugly and fall out, then you can just add some tape or maybe brush on some primer. So for the main bracer part, you can see that top and bottom are secured with the tape. Right now it's just for demonstration. Usually with the pieces like that, I use some elastic bands. Let me explain. As you can see, we have some positional keys that will help keep those parts where they should be. But we can't get our hand through. Usually, I just use some elastic band like this. I hot glue it inside, and when I put my hand through, it will come out a bit, and then the elastic band will bring it back. So, in summary, step by step, after you paint everything, you put the magnets in place here and on the side panels. You glue the elastic band on the inside. You secure those two parts using the bolts from the inside. When this assembly is on your hand, you put this over, the magnets align and lock off. After that, you slide this part and this part in the slots. And there you have it, Pale Serpent Widowmaker bracer. And to take it off, you first remove the bottom parts, then side panels and snake, and pull your arm